Hi, everyone. My name is Ian Hafkenschiel. I'm the CEO of LexLatam.ai and TigerByte Studio. Today, I'm going to walk you through a practical, implementation-focused framework for responsible AI, specifically for regulated environments where governance, traceability, and auditability aren't optional. Everything I'll share comes from real deployments, not theory. Across organizations, AI adoption is accelerating, but governance frameworks are not keeping up. PMs, DevOps, security, legal, and GRC teams are all being asked to deliver AI safely, yet the controls they rely on were built for traditional software, not generative systems. We're seeing three pressures at the same time: rising internal demand for safe AI, governance frameworks that lag behind the technology, and regulated sectors requiring AI that is traceable, explainable, and auditable. This creates a gap, and that gap is where most risk comes from. A little about me. I come from a dual background. I'm a licensed attorney and a senior software engineer, which allows me to bridge governance, legal risk, and technical architecture. At LexLatam.ai, we've deployed the first full-scale AI legal intelligence platform in Panama, used by lawyers, students, and institutions. And through TigerByte Studio, I support regulated sector clients with enterprise-grade AI systems, DevSecOps automation, and RAG architectures, retrieval augmented generation. My work centers on one idea. AI must be powerful, but it must also be governed. If AI feels chaotic inside organizations, here's why. AI projects often happen in silos, without shared workflows or coordination. Risk goes unmanaged because teams experiment outside official channels. PMs struggle to fit AI into delivery frameworks, which leads to scope creep and unclear ownership. GRC teams can't trace AI behavior, which makes audits painful. And legal worries about hallucinations, misinterpretations, and liability. The result is innovation, but without guardrails. Responsible AI in regulated environments requires six pillars. One, governable data, controlled ingestion, metadata tagging, and lineage tracking. Two, identity-aware access, every prompt tied to authenticated roles and permissions. RAG with verifiable citations, every answer must show its source. Guardrails and risk tiers, preventing inappropriate outputs based on context. Five, complete audit trails, logging prompts, retrievals, and system decisions. Six, human in the loop review, especially for high stakes or customer facing outputs. These six pillars make AI not just functional, but defensible. To make this real, here's how we apply these principles in LexLatam. We ingest Panama's entire legal corpus, laws, codes, decrees, case law. We process everything through an OCR and metadata pipeline, enrich it, and vectorize it. Access is identity aware with role-based controls. Every answer is citation verified through a RAG system that retrieves real legal text. We continuously ingest new laws from Gaceta Oficial, and we use a zero hallucination architecture that returns no answer instead of guessing. These workflows are transferable to any regulated industry. Here are the lessons we've learned. AI must operate inside technical guardrails, not policies pasted on top. Provenance and traceability matter more than model size. Retrieval architecture is more important than the model itself. Governance has to exist from day one, not after deployment. And high stakes sectors require workflow first design. This is where most AI programs, especially pilots, either succeed or fail. This seven-stage blueprint gives you a repeatable model. Governed ingestion, only validated and approved data enters the system. Metadata and structure. Content is tagged for precise, auditable retrieval. Identity-aware retrieval. Authenticated, role-based access. RAG with citations. Answers must include references. 5. Output guardrails, automated policy and safety checks. 6. Audit trail and logging, complete visibility into prompts and decisions. And finally, human review, especially for mission critical outputs. This is the backbone of compliant AI. Responsible AI is a cross-team responsibility. The PMO drives risk logging and documentation. DevOps integrates AI into CI/CD and manages rollback controls. Security enforces identity and secrets management. GRC aligns workflows to regulatory frameworks. And legal ensures compliant outputs and reviews liability concerns. AI is no longer an IT only initiative. It's an organizational workflow. For PMs, here are the quick wins. Use AI to support requirements gathering, spotting gaps, contradictions, and clarifying questions. Use AI-assisted risk registers. AI can propose risks directly from documents, and PMs validate them. Use AI for traceable documentation. Every draft can carry full edit history and source attribution. And build AI-ready PMO governance, templates, approval gates, and AI-specific checkpoints. These steps improve delivery without adding overhead. For ISACA members, map AI workflows directly to control frameworks like COBIT, NIST, ISO 27001, or SOC2. Automate evidence generation during ingestion, logs, metrics, lineage. Use guardrails that enforce policy, not just guide behavior. Capture prompt logs and retrieval logs. This creates defensible forensic evidence. And remember, AI audits focus on why a decision was appropriate, not just what happened. This is where regulators will increasingly look. I offer dedicated sessions for PMI and ISACA chapters. For PMI, prompt to project workflows, managing risk and AI-enabled projects, PMO level governance at scales. For ISACA, audit-ready GRC workflows, how AI copilots change DevSecOps, and auditing RAG systems and AI pipelines. Everything is implementation driven, not vendor hype. Chapters consistently choose this material because it's completely vendor neutral, it's based on real implementation, not theory, it gives members actionable takeaways, it avoids tool demos and focuses on repeatable patterns. It aligns with PMI and ISACA learning agendas, and it resonates with regulated industries, healthcare, finance, legal, public sector. This is practical, not promotional. I deliver these sessions in formats that fit your chapter: webinars, panels, in-person talks, or workshops. Content can be customized or expanded into a multi-session series. You can scan the QR code to save my contact details directly to your phone. I'm Ian Hafkenschiel, CEO of LexLatam.ai and TigerByte Studio, combining AI architecture and legal expertise to help organizations build AI systems that are both powerful and governed. Thank you.